Hi, this is Stephen Brower from Mountain Valley Community College. This is for CSIT 256, Computer Architecture and Assembly Language. And what this video was meant to do is sort of focus on what the plan of attack should be for the assignments for week 1. Well, a couple things. One is, and there's going to be a separate video that shows the syllabus. I just want to pop over to the syllabus. And on the syllabus up top, this PDF that's here, this is sort of like the semester at a glance in maybe a nicer format than what Canvas has. And part of the reason why I want to draw attention to this, since we're talking about the work to be done, this then shows this is the work for Monday, this is the work for Friday. I tried my best to, throughout the semester, indicate the chapter that the work is based on. So if we look at the stuff for Monday, June 8th, it is for Irvine Chapter 1, both of them. And Irvine Chapter 1, in terms of the content, is listed here in terms of from the syllabus. And in the course for the content itself, so if I jump back to the module that has the information on the topics, you actually would have to scroll down a bit to find the Irvine Chapter 1. So in a sense, where you might want to start in terms of the content is you work on the stuff that's going to be needed for the first set of assignments, in this case, Irvine Chapter 1. So if you haven't already looked over the overview video for the week as a whole, there is an overview video for the week as a whole, but there's an overview video for Irvine Chapter 1. These are the slides, so if we were in the classroom, that's what I would pass out. There's the 2 per page, the 6 per page, and then there are some subtopics within Irvine Chapter 1, and I have additional videos. So Intro to Binary, Parts 1 and Parts 2. I have some supporting documents for that, a demo that I would have done in class on converting 37 to binary. Sorry for the long pause. I realized I didn't label access to one of the videos here correctly. This video here that has the Intro to Binary Part 2 includes the 2's complement, which this is the underlying document that is associated with it. Okay, so anyway, I know it seems like there's an awful lot here, but what I've tried to do is interlace some videos and some documents regarding the work, or kind of like what I would have done in the classroom. So again, popping back here again, so the stuff for Monday, they're both listed as Irvine Chapter 1. So one thing to focus on in terms of the material would be to focus on those things first. If you weren't looking at this schedule here, so if I go back home again, I'm going to point out a couple things. On the right-hand side, the first 2 things that are listed here, these would be the first 2 things that would be due at the present moment, which in this case, these are the ones for June 8th. And so, and the reason why they're coming up on the list, these haven't been submitted yet. Now, you are going to see other videos where this student ID I'm in did submit it, but I reset it so I could start over again. And then from the syllabus tab, this is the list, the chronological list of all the assignments for the semester, and then these are the first 2 things, the ones listed for Monday, June 8th. Later in the semester, this jump to today, you'll be using it for jumping to later where you are to then focus. So since I am using this Monday, Friday approach for assignments, when you're tackling the content, look at first the order that the assignments are due, and then focus on those things first. So that would mean for this week, focus on Irvine Chapter 1 first, and then when working on the latter part of the week, then look at the Stallings 1, Stallings 2, the Stallings 9, the Stallings 11, and the Irvine Chapter 2. When you look for the following week, when we look at Monday the 15th, well, there's the homework from the stuff from the prior week, but Stallings 3 and Irvine 3. So Stallings 3 and Irvine 3 would be the first things to look at. the latter part of the week, Stallings for Irvine 4, Stallings for Irvine 4. So what you want to kind of look at both things are when things are due, to guide you which content you look at when. Okay.